Hi and good morning, everyone. It's a crisis situation, and we are all sitting at home watching television, reading newspapers, listening to radio, and at all these places, we are getting an advice that be nature friendly. It's true that in Delhi, before the close down, the air pollution was so high that we used to have, say, kind of health problems. And now, when you look at the numbers, it is drastically come down, almost below the half mark level of the pollution which used to have before the lockdown. So, what is that proving to us? It's very clear that we need to be nature friendly. We never have to think of harming the nature and create problems. The air that we inhale has to be pure. So, after the COVID 19 crisis situation, the focus for of all of us need to be on maintaining the harmony towards the nature. We need to live in this world a perfect life and be happy. For that, I think it is time to begin loving the nature.